Explain to me kung paano nila nagawa to. Grabe na to This is the smallest legit RC toy na nakita ko. And honestly, I think mas maganda pa nga to dun sa mga mas malalaki. Tingnan mo naman yung ganda ng build niya. Surprisingly, hindi siya plastic. This is made up of metal. Kaya gulat na gulat ako kasi nagawa nila yung ganito kaliit na RC at sobrang ganda ng details. Ang hindi ako makapaniwala is that yung remote control ganito lang kaliit but it has full functionality. May forward, may back, may left, right, even adjust yung speed niya. At ang gusto ko dito, hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng battery because this is rechargeable via Type-C at eto meron na ring built-in battery. So upon opening the box, ready to play ka na. Pag pinindot ko to, makikita mo na naka rear wheel drive siya. Pero alam mo kung saan ako bilib na bilib dito? Naka full suspension siya. Tingnan mo, may suspension sa likod, meron pang suspension sa harap. Di ba grabe? Ang ganda talaga. This is how it looks like if you move left and right. Alam mo, medyo bumagal ako magtrabaho kasi nalibang talaga ako kakalaro nito. This is definitely perfect for kids kung ayaw mo na masyado malaki. Pero honestly, if you are an adult like me playing with this, hindi ka nag-iisa. Pag na-board ka na laruin, alam mo ba may kasama na rin siyang trailer. So ilagay mo lang yan and you can have more fun with this. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Please take advantage of this because there are so many colors and designs available. Click on the basket, stay safe, and peace out.